Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be introducing to you my under 1K recipe. If you take a look at my table, you find out that I have all the 6 classes of food in this meal. Like, I try to inculcate all the 6 classes of food. For instance, this is carbohydrate, contains a lot of iron. You know, this plantain, like you all know. This is fish, contains protein. This is protein still, crayfish. This contains minerals, vitamins. The vegetables contains minerals, vitamins. Even the pepper, this is fats and oil, salt, seasoning. So everything, this meal contains all the 6 classes of food that our body really needs to thrive and function. Because of the hardship that is going on everywhere in the world, especially here in Nigeria, I devised this under 1K recipe as a method of helping, you know, the underprivileged ones in our midst, like students. A family of 4 can eat this food, a healthy meal that you can cook with less than 1,000. This plantain is 250 naira. The fish is 400. This green, spinach, we call it green in Nigeria, is 50 naira. 50 naira onion, red onion. This crayfish is 100 naira. The pepper is 50 naira. Salt and seasoning cube, and this oil, I already have them. So I'm going to teach you how to make this. It's so healthy and is very, very affordable. So stay with me, let us do this. Now I'm washing my pepper and onion because I need to season my fish. So now I'm pounding my pepper and onion because, like I told you, I prefer the texture I get from pounding my pepper. This is the consistency I love my pepper and onion to be in. So let's move on to washing the fish, seasoning this pepper and spicing up the fish. So you're going to cut off the head of your fish. Using 1 seasoning cube to season this with a pinch of salt, just very small. Mixing it together. I've already washed my fish. This is our fish ready to go into the micro oven. We're going to wash and peel our plantain. So I want to add this ripe plantain into the unripe ones just for a bit of sweetness. So now into the pot, add your chopped onion. I'm adding the remaining 1 cube of seasoning, crayfish powder, and the already pounded onion and pepper mix. That the food is on fire, we'll add some water and boil and cook for 15 minutes. As my food is cooking and my fish is roasting, I'm getting my vegetable ready. So once they are ready, everything will come out nice. Our fish is nicely roasted, as you can see, so it's time to debone it and add it into our porridge. I'm just tempted to put this in my mouth. So nice. Then we are going to add our roasted fish. This is so beautiful, very yummy. Look at my food. So nice. This is so nice. Oh, I want to cry. Our food is ready. This looks so yummy. I love it. Sorry you're not here. I'm going to test it on your behalf. This is so nice. My one favorite recipe is baddest. Thank you for watching. Bye.